Hello friends, in this video, we'll share you one interesting theme. Can custom many style of lock screen. You can custom those images, replace it with your images. In the home screen, this widget can custom text under clock. Theme has beautiful icon pack. iOS Style Control Center, support HyperOS. Change Miui system applications. Support both dark mode and light mode. On lock screen, you can custom any text, widgets, and wallpaper. The theme available on Chinese theme store. If your device running Chinese ROM, you can find it and install. If your device running global, India, or other ROM, use global theme app. Keep watching to install on global ROM and custom theme. First open Settings app, My Device. Scroll down to Backup and Restore features. Uncheck all in this screen. Only check theme app data to create backup. Wait to backup completed, then exit. Next, download my backup file in video description. After downloaded, you have backup file like this. Press and hold backup file, copy or more file to the path. Soft by folder by time modified. Select latest backup folder. This is original backup file of your device. Now paste downloaded file into here, then replace it. Downloaded file replaced original file. Return backup and restore features in settings. Select Restore tab. Choose latest backup data to restore. Before start restore backup, let's open my theme app to check my themes. I only have 2 default Xiaomi themes. Don't worry, this solution does not lose existing themes on your phone. Wait for restore completed. Finish and exit to home screen. Now open theme app and check again. The theme appeared in my themes. I can install and apply Chinese theme on global device with this solution. Next, we are custom this theme together. On lock screen, double tap on bottom bar to enter custom screen. You can switch between styles of wallpapers. Keep watching to know how to change those wallpapers. To custom wallpapers and more, open theme app, customize theme lock style, then custom. To change main lock screen wallpaper, following this option. Press this option and select image from your phone to set main lock screen wallpaper. These options replace the small images on the lock screen in order from 1 to 15. Click on each line in turn and replace it with your phone's image. You can add any photos you want. Do all 15 images one at a time. Important note: the image must be in 1:1 ratio. You can use the library to crop the image. Crop wall pairs you want set on small puzzle to 1:1 ratio. Example, I resize the 15 images to 1:1 ratio. After resize images to 1:1 ration, you can import it. I imported 15 images into this. Result, all small images changed. It will change in all style. This option to custom text under small images puzzle. This option to custom text widget on lock screen and home screen widget. This to custom text on bottom bar. Custom text widget under lock screen, clock, and home screen widget. You can change any text into this, example like me. With this theme, you can custom many features on lock screen. Change between puzzle images style. To return default theme wallpaper, select this option. So I shared with you a pretty interesting theme on the Chinese theme store. Who can install on global devices with my backup file in video description. I hope you will like this theme. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon, and I will bring to you another interesting themes. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive new videos as soon as possible.